What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Eric, for those that are new here. This is my BMW E60 535 Xi. It's currently rear-wheel drive converted and has full bolt-ons. It's making about 500 horsepower on E85. Right now we're on 91, so it should be about 450 to the wheels. And as you can tell, we got a ton of snow here in Utah, so we're gonna be sending it today. This should just be a fun drift montage, trying to get some clips with the E60, so we'll see if we can send it. Try not to hit anything.
I just want you to chill and vibe. Maybe you spend a night, I'll get you feeling right. I know that they ain't down to ride. If you ain't by my side, then bitch you out of sight. Well fuck them, I don't need them. Good we what I'm breathing. If you ain't talking money, I promise yo we ain't speaking. New bad bitch, ain't from here, she Puerto Rican. Got my team out eating my money at Tennessee.
Guys, we just got back from an amazing drifting adventure. The E60 held up great. Temps were good, hitting rev limiter the whole time. My man Sean in the background there caught some amazing clips for us. He'll be tagged to the end of this video. Make sure you guys give him a follow for all of the footage outside of the car. This thing held up great, so make sure you guys check out some more videos coming up with the E60. We still got more stuff going on. Probably a carbon fiber lip kit coming up soon, as well as a stage 2 fuel pump going in the rear of this thing, so we can make some big power numbers on E85 and try and see if we can't max out these stock turbos. But that will all be in a future video, so make sure you guys hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button to check out some more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bonus round.